What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. I did a big shopping spree and I got a bunch of new Hot Wheels and new cars. Let's go ahead and open them all up. And we'll start it off with the Hot Wheels singles first. And this first car is a 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster in red. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Get a close-up look at it. It is in this nice glossy looking red color. Got these really nice chrome wheels on here. You can see that nice aggressive front end, the open top for the Roadster, and the really cool rear diffuser on it. Looks really, really nice in this red color. The next single we got is the 2020 Dodge Ram Rebel 1500, or it actually specifies it as a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. A lot of people corrected me saying that Dodge was dropped and that it's just called the Ram Rebel, so I'm not really sure exactly. I still call it a Dodge Ram. I mean, it is made by Dodge themselves. So let's go ahead and pop it open right here in this nice looking blue color. And this one is the Baja Blazer series, so you can see it's got the dirty looking tire. I really, really like those. You guys have heard me say it before. I really like that new addition to the Hot Wheels lineup. And you can see just that aggressive looking Ram front end. Got a nice big sunroof on it, black bed right there, and then Ram written on the rear of this one. And our next car we got is the Corvette C8r in yellow. Love the Corvette C8. Such a cool addition, and I think we're going to be getting just a standard variation. We've got the R variation. They usually come out with the R variations. We had a C6R, the C7R, now the C8R, but we should get just the standard road car coming up here pretty soon. But I do really like this yellow. We got the Corvette logo just written on the top, the nice striping on there with the number 4, aggressive kind of body kit diffuser type thing on it as well. Big rear spoiler, nice blacked out wheels on this Corvette. All right, our next car that we did get, we got the Mercedes-Benz 500e in black, a brand new model to the Hot Wheels lineup. Let's go ahead and pop this one open right here. Actually, we might have seen this one in a premium. I can't remember exactly, but I don't think I've seen this one in mainline in a while. So there we go. We can see in the back, nice looking tampo work and stuff. We got the Hot Wheels logo in the middle right there. These wheels, I mean, they're kind of period correct. I don't really like them much. They're a little bit, not really fancy or anything like that. We got the nice looking grille on the front end. Check that out. Check out that nice headlights and all that stuff. That looks really good. It's a really well done casting, and I really do like this one right here. And our next one that I did find, I couldn't pass up on getting another Koenigsegg Jesko. We got a 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko in gray. Let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. You guys know how much I love these Koenigsegg Jeskos, and there it is. Gorgeous looking, big spoiler on there. There's that center exhaust on it as well. You can see from the front end just how nice designed this car is. Just look at that. I really, really like it in this color. The original release color wasn't too bad either, but you know what? This dark gray looks really good. All right, let's see what else we have here. We got a 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 in yellow. Grabbed one of those ones as well. Let's see what this one looks like as well here. Here it is in this nice looking yellow color with the blacked out wheels. Very similar color as this Corvette. I mean, Mustang versus Corvette. Yeah, this is a little bit brighter of a yellow, I think. This one's a little bit darker. It's really hard to see, but still, nonetheless, this Mustang looks great. Check out that great looking aggressive front end. There's that supercharger right there, the black stripe that just goes down the center of this one. Not much temp work in the back, but hey, it's an overall great looking car. We picked up another Ford. It's the 2021 Ford Bronco. Guys, love this car. Can't wait to see these ones driving out on the road. I haven't seen this particular version. I've seen just the regular Bronco Sports, but this is like the true looking Bronco, the two-door Bronco. So hopefully we'll see some of these ones in real life. But until then, we've got this cool looking Hot Wheels version Bronco written on the front right there. This blue color looks absolutely fantastic. Bronco written on the side. There's the big tire right there, the extra spare tire right there. And you can just see how wide this is, how these tires just stick out when you look at it from over top right here. This is a big looking vehicle. I can't remember if this fits on the Hot Wheels track. We'll have to test it out again. I can't remember if we raced one of these in the past, but we'll have to see. All right, we'll put that down. And our next one, we've got the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible, this time in white. We've got this one in several different color variations. but now we've got this nice looking white one right here, and there it is. Check out, I like these blacked out wheels with the colored chrome lip on them. It's like a red colored chrome lip on there. We see it from the top. We've got the striping right down there. Nice looking tampo works for the headlight. There's the supercharger right there. Black interior. The stripe continues down the back, and then on the rear as well, we have some nice stamping Corvette logo right there. Just a nice aggressive, fun looking convertible. Our next one that we do have is the McLaren P1 in gray. This is that new darker gray color that we got released this year, and it is super nice. You guys saw my previous McLaren videos on all the color variations. We included this one in there, but just a great looking casting. This is kind of like a satin finish. It's not like a matte finish. It's kind of like a glossy satin finish to this paint job. So it's a really interesting, unique looking paint job from Hot Wheels, and I really do like it. You guys know how much I love the McLaren P1, and of course this kind of stealthy looking gray color with the blacked out wheels looks fantastic. And the last mainline that we did get is the 2017 Lamborghini Urus, and let's go ahead and open that one up before we get to our other things that will open up, including the bigger cars as well. So here is the Lamborghini Urus, as I've got shreds right there. We'll drop those. All right, perfect. Look at that Lamborghini on the back, Urus down there, white out on this one. You can just see all the lines and stuff on the front end. Just a great looking casting. I was super excited to get this one when it first came out in yellow. Then we got a blue. Now we got the white one. We're going to be getting more colors of this one. I'm sure we will. Hot Wheels loves to recolor all of the Lamborghinis, so we'll probably get another Urus very soon. All right, let's go ahead and put that one aside, and let's go ahead and open the bigger cars that we have right here. So we'll start it off with the 2019 Corvette ZR1. And this one, I can't remember what this is by. This is by Motor Max. There we go. And what the exact scale of this one, I think it's a 1 in 24. Yeah, it is. There we go. I could just look on the box right there. It says 1 in 24. Read that out. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and pop this one open, and we can get a close-up look at it. All right, now we've got the Corvette ZR1 all taken off right here, and let's go ahead and get a nice look at this. And wow, this is such a cool looking 1 in 24 scale car. Yellow with the blacked out wheels on there, and of course the doors do open up. Just check out how wide these doors open up right here. Let's go ahead and pop this one. This one's a little bit more stiffer than this side right here. This side opens up pretty easily. This side's a little bit stiffer. We'll pull that right open, and then we can see on the interior of this one, it's an all blacked out interior on there. Just check out that wing right there. Looks so cool. We've got the nice quad exhaust right there, Corvette ZR1, the logo all right there. Very nice. We've got the carbon fiber type blacked out roof on the top right there. Let's go ahead and close these doors right up. And does anything else open? I don't think the hood or anything like that opens. The rear doesn't open or anything like that. And just check it out from the front end though. I just love the Corvette ZR1. Just looks absolutely fantastic. And let's go ahead and grab the Corvette ZR1 convertible that we have for Hot Wheels and get a little bit of a comparison right there. Let's see that front end. Yeah, I mean, not too bad. Hot Wheels did a pretty good job. I mean, even though this is a 1 in 64 scale and this is a 1 in 24 scale, this one looks great. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and display that near my YouTube editing computer. I think it'll look great beside there. But let's go ahead and open up our next one right here. We'll put that aside. Our next one that we have is the McLaren 720S, Shaw's McLaren 720S. Wow, this looks great. I can't wait to open this one up. Let's go ahead and do that right now. And before we completely take it out of the box, if we look on the back, this is from a whole series of Fast and Furious cars. So you can see this one right here, the Shaw's McLaren 720S, and you can see all the different cars that are included. They even have the Lykan Hypersport, the new Toyota GR Supra. So a lot of cool looking cars from the set, but you know what? The McLaren is my favorite. Let's go ahead and take it apart. All right, now that we have the car completely taken out of the box, let's go ahead and put that stuff aside and let's take a look at this McLaren 720S. You can see Fast and Furious. Obviously, we know this is like the Hobbs and Shaw car, and it is Shaw's McLaren 720S, but just a great looking one. The mirrors themselves, it's kind of weird. The mirrors, you can see how they kind of stick out and they're a little bit soft. Not sure if they come down or not. I don't really want to break them off, so we'll just leave them as is. But the big thing about this car is the doors. Boom. There it is, and we'll take this one up right here. Boom, McLaren 720S with the amazing looking doors, and we can see on the interior, it's all blacked out. You can see this one, it is a right-hand drive car, just like the movie it was, so very, very cool. Just check that one out. This is kind of like a metallic gray color, almost looks kind of greenish a little bit in the light, but nonetheless. But look at that from the back end, very good detail, blacked out wheels on here as well. Just a cool looking car. And this one I think is a little bit bigger of a scale. Let's grab the, here it is. Here is our 1/24 scale. So maybe it is similar. No. The McLaren does look a little bit bigger. So the McLaren is a slightly bigger scale. You can see the Corvette 01 just a little bit smaller, so I'm not sure the exact scale of this 720S, but I think it looks absolutely fantastic. We'll have to display this one as well with the Corvette, but let's go ahead and put that one aside, and let's go ahead and get to our 5-packs right here. We've got 2 Hot Wheels 5-packs. We've got the Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack right here that includes the Bugatti, and we've got the Hot Wheels Legends 5-pack. Let's just go ahead and look at these 5-packs, because I think what I'm going to do with these 2 is I'm going to display them, so I don't really want to fully open them up. So let's go ahead and keep them aside for now. Let's look at our Hot Wheels Legends ones first. We do have a Mustang included on there, and this one, I can't remember the exact name. It looks like the Toyota off-road truck, but it's the Hot Wheels variation of it. We do have a bone shaker, we have a rip rod, and we have the twin mill Hot Wheels Legends. Obviously all the legendary Hot Wheels cars. Does it specify in the back? I don't think it specifies in the back on the other ones there, but I had to get this one. All of the very, very classic Hot Wheels cars, especially those 3 right there, the bone shaker, the rip rod, the twin mill, very, very classic Hot Wheels Legends cars. But there we have this beautiful 5-pack, which I will put on display. And our next one is the Hot Wheels Exotic set, which includes some amazing cars. We've got the Bugatti Chiron in blue, the highlight car. We've got an Aston Martin DBS, the Lamborghini Veneno, the Lotus Esprit Twin Turbo, and a Jaguar F-Type Project 7. You guys have seen me open up many of these sets previously in other videos, and I absolutely love this set. So we're definitely gonna put this one on display. But guys, in the comment section down below, if you appreciated this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.